Japan vibes ba ang hanap mo while having coffee? May alam kaming spot sa Quezon City para dyan. Ang Coffee Dojo at ang My Ilonggo Girl star na si Andrea del Rosario ang makakasama natin sa Japanese coffee experience na ito.
Wow, yummy.
The reason why we had Coffee Dojo is because my friends and I really love coffee. The first time that we went to Japan, parang medyo na-inlove kami dun sa mga concept that they have sa mga coffee shop nila. So parang naisip namin na why don't we bring it to the Philippines so that yung mga coffee lover natin dito would experience yung na-experience namin during the time that we are sipping our coffee in Japan. So that's the reason why we have cherry blossom outside para din ma-experience nila yung parang they are sitting sa ilalim ng cherry blossom tree and then habang nagkakape sila. And as you can see sa background, merong parang view ng window na merong mga naglalakad. So yun yung gusto namin i-project dyan. Ayun nga, in totality, we wanted to elevate the coffee experience ng mga customer and at the same time, ma-experience nila na parang nasa Japan talaga sila.
Hello, food explorers! This is Miss Andrea del Rosario na gumaganap pong Margaret sa My Ilonggo Girl. Hindi niyo po na itatanong ay bago po kami nag-shoot ng My Ilonggo Girl ay nanggaling po kami sa Japan, my family and I. And doon po namin natagpuan ang, gosh, masasarap na kape and pastries. And today, I'm so happy because I found this place. It's called Coffee Dojo. O, di ba? See, guys, they have this. Look!
So mochi donut, inspired din siya from Japan. So if we're going to compare yung the donut that we have here in the Philippines dun sa mochi donut, totally different yung experience because yung mochi donut, chewy siya and hindi siya kagaya nung regular na donut natin dito sa Pinas.
Wow, thank you, miss. All right, what's this?
This is Tokyo Banana, inspired by Tokyo Banana bread from Japan. So, combination po siya ng banana milk and then espresso with taste of caramel sauce pa.
Wow, see? Narinig yan, banana, coffee, caramel. Oh, three things that I really love so much. All in one drink. Wow, sarap naman nun. Yummy! I can taste the banana, the caramel. Ay, gusto ko ito. Matcha mochi, o, di ba? Guys, I like matcha. As a matter of fact, nagdala ako ng maraming matcha from Japan nung bumalik kami. So, another favorite. It's so good. There's something about the texture na parang, I love the softness compared to other donuts na parang marshmallow donut because it's really that soft. It's really good.
So, next drink po natin is Fuji
Yes.
Latte. Bali latte po siya, milk and espresso with Fuji cream on top. For Fuji cream, it's our own version of sea salt cream. So, may hint siya ng salt and sweet.
Hindi ba kamukha siya ng Mount Fuji? O, di ba, na puro snow? Yan. Yan po ay sea salt. I'm sure maraming may gusto nito. Wow, yummy. Guys, I wish I can share this to you. It's so good.
Here po yung next natin, which is butterbeer. Inspired naman po siya for Harry Potter drink po.
Oh.
So, caramel flavor po siya na may Fuji cream on top po ulit.
And it's
Pero
a...
non-alcoholic.
Oh, I was gonna say, because guys, I don't drink. Oh, see, the best. Guys, sana ma-explain ko. Basta masarap eh. So, para siyang may soft drinks. Parang float. And look at the froth. Paano nila ginagawa yun?
So, this is matcha float po. So, matcha soda with ice cream on top. And then for the pastry is teriyaki with dulce de leche filling.
So, it's matcha float. Because you can taste the soft drinks and the matcha and the ice cream. Sarap. Now we try this. Let's see. Wow, look at that, guys. Sa loob. Eee. Yum! Sira diet. Crunchy, bagong luto, and it's really, really good inside. It has that filling na mainit pa sa loob, which makes it really good.
His our ramen, pork-based, Fukuoka-style ramen. So, ang flavor niya is tonkatsu ramen po with the soy sauce.
Parang you're eating a fine dining noodles in a plastic cup like this, but it tastes like fine dining food. Sarap, very good. Asa na ba si Sir Gov? Kailangan mag-share kami nito. Sir Gov, where are you? Ha? Please do watch My Ilonggo Girl, GMA 7, 9:35 p.m. Mondays to Thursdays. Na-experience ko ulit ang Japan sa food. I was really surprised. Because, yun nga, katulad ng sabi ko, it's hard to replicate it, di ba? And I think on point si Coffee Dojo.
Nakakita ka na ba ng fashion boutique na restaurant? Kung hindi pa, pwes, si Andrea na ang bahalang ilibo tayo sa Grand Hausse sa Quezon City. Isang kakaibang lugar kung saan ang fashion hindi mo lang makikita, matitikman mo pa.
Hello! Welcome to the Grand Hausse, Miss A. Grabe. Hello, thank you. Thank you so much for having.
Super nice!
Thank you
Ang ganda naman your
So,
shop.
this is our fashion boutique.
Yes, okay.
You may have a look of our collection.
Okay, yes. Show me around.
Sure.
Oh,
Actually, the Grand
yes.
Hausse was intended to be a furniture shop.
Okay.
It all happened when a misordered mannequin arrived at my doorstep. So, nagulat ako kasi supposedly,
Oo.
furniture shop siya, kaya siya house.
Yes.
Pero, nung dumating sa akin yung box,
Oo.
nagulat ako kasi mannequin yung dumating sa akin. And
Oo.
in my heart, I knew that it was assigned to pursue my passion, which is fashion and art. Of course, meron din tayong surprise sa taas na we don't just serve fashion, but we want our guests to also taste it.
So now we are here at the Grand Hausse at titikman na natin ang kanilang, you call it?
Designer dishes.
Designer
Yes.
dishes. O, diba? Parang na-inspire
for
ka ba sa
example,
trip?
yes.
As in, a trip somewhere? Kasi parang I could see like, parang European. Tignan mo naman, ang ganda ng kanyang menu. O, diba? Bakit? Hindi naman.
Hindi naman dahil sa trip.
But you like Europe?
Yes,
Europe?
yes.
Or,
That's
how I feel
One of the
about
mission of the Grand Hausse is really to be a catalyst of awakening
wow.
to our best self.
Wow.
I wanted to promote healing, yung inner healing. That's why ang menu natin, I want everyone to welcome love, abundance, gratitude, joy, peace. And
You wanna inspire.
every detail is a reminder that we should be grateful for whatever we have.
Yan din ang gusto mong iparating sa
Yes,
mga
yes,
sa
Miss
shop mo
A.
sa baba, even
Yes,
sa mga
Miss A.
sa mga kababaihan, 'di ba? It's really inspiring.
Thank you so
Nakakatuwa.
much. Our first dish for today,
Yes.
Ceviche pura. It has a Valentina sauce and
Yeah.
a coconut crema on top.
I really wanted to curate dishes that are too beautiful to eat. Yes.
Kailangan yung
to
i-mix
blend
ng
all
ganyan
the
daw
flavors
yan.
all
Ayan.
together.
Kailangan natin
Yes,
i-mix yan, ha? Lahat ng flavors, lahat ng colors of the sea.
Yes, yes, definitely.
Yes.
Ceviche, so
Here we
para
go,
siyang
guys.
kinilaw.
Yes.
Medyo spicy.
Mm.
And to balance the spiciness, meron tayong coconut crema. And may konting salty din. yung ikura natin.
I like kilawin kasi it's not so fattening. That's why I like it. And, of course, Batangueña. I'm from Batangas, so we always have kilawin. This is a nice take on kilawin.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
For your next course, our signature pasta dishes are ravioli.
So this is one of our best seller, our divine mushroom ravioli.
Aww.
So we curate the pastas talaga, no? So iniisa-isa talaga namin lahat ng pasta. We freshly made pastas made with superfoods like for example
Pesto?
itong purple made with arugula pesto and mushroom espuma.
Oh, wow, I love this.
So the colors of the pasta is made with superfoods like beetroot, yung red color niya. The green one is the spinach. The
Wow.
purple one is the ube. We don't use food coloring or preservatives
Wow.
here. This is a freshly made pasta. for
Nakakatuwa. Guys, nawawalan ako ng adjective. Sarap eh. Ang sarap naman ito. Wow! So far, guys, sorry, but I can taste that it's really fresh.
Yes.
Can I just say, it touches yung lahat ng senses mo. Visually, yung palette mo, you know, and even the ambience of the place.
Thank
you know
you
what I
so
mean?
much.
It's really an experience, guys. So, when you come here, makikita nyo kung ano ibig ko sabihin.
And for your main course, our amethyst tenderloin.
Wow! Alam kasi namin na napakarami nang nag-o-offer ng steak. No? But for this one, talagang nag-isip kami ng something na vibrant yung color and unique.
Pwede na, habang nagkukwentuhan tayo, ha?
Usually kasi ang steak is
Yeah.
offered with mashed potato and
simple.
fries, etc. But
Right.
nakaisip kami ng way to make it more creative and fashionable with the color combination that we use. At the same time, it's very unique to use ube. Siyempre, being a proud Filipino,
in-incorporate nyo yung...
ube puree.
Wow. I actually just came from Argentina. They have different ways of cooking the steak. So it's ang hirap niyang lutuin, you know what I mean? Kala mo ilalagay mo lang siyang ganon. But yeah, it takes a certain skill to cook it right.
Thank you so much.
Oh wow, this is the best part. This is my favorite.
And for your final course, our salted egg cheesecake.
Salted egg cheesecake.
Served with
Salted caramel hickory.
Pangalan pa lang,
medyo
pangmaya na.
smoky yung aming caramel.
Yes. Hi. Nisira niyo yung diet ko, guys. Ang sarap!
Thank you.
Wow!
So
It's
unlike the
really
regular
good.
cheesecake lang
Yeah.
palagi, this one, ginawa namin siya ng twist. And then, para nandun pa rin yung Filipino culture natin na mahilig tayo sa salted egg.
Talagang yung cheesecake, medyo malalasahan mo nga yung salted egg. Ano?
Yes.
Galing ng twist, ano?
Pero
Wow,
na-balance
hindi ko
out po
maiisip
siya
gawin
ng
yun, ah.
caramel na medyo
Yeah.
sweet and then may konting kakaibang smoky flavor yung
Right.
ating caramel.
Oh, yan. Lumalabas ang pagka-Margaret ko dito, ha? Sarap!